In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install QuickBooks on desktop. QuickBooks is a powerful accounting software that helps businesses of all sizes manage their finances, track expenses, and streamline operations. Whether you're a small business owner or part of a growing enterprise, QuickBooks makes bookkeeping easier, but before you can take advantage of its features, you'll need to install the software on your computer. Don't worry, this process is straightforward, and I'm going to walk you through each step to make it easy and stress-free. If you're new to QuickBooks, you can use the link in the description to create an account and get started. All right, let's dive right in. First, open your web browser. This can be Google Chrome, Firefox, Microsoft Edge, or whichever browser you prefer. Now type in downloads.quickbooks.com in the address bar, or if it's easier, you can simply search for QuickBooks Download using your favorite search engine. Once the results load, make sure to click on the official QuickBooks Download link. This will take you directly to the download page. Once you're on the download page, the first thing you'll need to do is select the country where you plan to use QuickBooks. This ensures you get the correct version tailored for your region. Next, choose the QuickBooks product you'd like to install. QuickBooks offers several options, like QuickBooks Pro, QuickBooks Premier, and QuickBooks Enterprise. Take a moment to confirm which version suits your business needs, and then make your selection. After that, select the year version of QuickBooks you want to install. For most users, it's best to go with the latest version as it includes the newest features and updates. However, if you specifically need an older version for compatibility reasons, you can choose that instead. Once you've made your selections, click on the Search button. This will display the available software options based on the details you've provided. Now locate the specific version of QuickBooks you want to download from the list. When you've found it, click the Download button. The file will start downloading to your computer. This process may take a few minutes, depending on your internet speed and the size of the file. Be patient and wait for the download to complete. When the download is finished, navigate to the folder where the file was saved. This is usually your Downloads folder, unless you've set a different location. Double-click on the downloaded file to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. The setup wizard will guide you step-by-step through the installation. You may be asked to agree to the terms and conditions, choose an installation location, and provide any necessary information. Once you've completed all the steps, the installation will finish, and you'll be ready to move on to the next stage. Finally, launch QuickBooks on your computer. You can do this by either clicking the Finish button at the end of the installation process or finding the QuickBooks icon on your desktop or in your Start menu. Once the software opens, you're all set to begin using QuickBooks to manage your business finances. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.